Meanwhile, Albay Governor Joey Salceda reiterates his appeal for some residents not to return to their homes within the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone. Again, here's Haji Camino with the full report.
Kagad ang plano.
The provincial government of Albay reiterates that returning to homes situated at the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone is strictly prohibited. But still there are some who disobey the policy. Albay Governor Joey Salceda clarified in a press briefing at APSEMO that not all returning residents are evacuees. Only 10% of residents who are evacuees own land and animals situated at the volcano area.
That makes it because most of the landowners do not live there. Which tells you why becomes very difficult for us to, yung mga in-evacuate natin, sabi mo 10% lang wala man silang lupa doon. So ang bumabalik doon, hindi naman yung evacuee ko. Ang pumupunta doon, yung mga land-owning.
Salceda is sure that all residents living at the PDZ were already evacuated, except those men who returned to guard their homes as well as their livestock. PVOX Region 5 earlier recommended a no human activity policy at the PDZ. The provincial government then ordered the Philippine Army to lead the cutting of power and water supply. Salceda said it is the only way that residents will be forced to evacuate.
Susundin namin yung PVOX kung saan kami mamumutol. Ang sabi ng PVOX, no human activity inside the 6 permanent danger zone and the 7-kilometer southwest extended high-risk zone. Theoretically, wala ng mga bahay dyan. Kasi ang Legazpi walang bahay. San Domingo walang bahay. Daraga walang bahay. Kamalig lang ang meron. Kaya doon lang sa Kamalig talaga nagkakaroon kami ng problema. Yung 740 ng Anuling, Kirangay, Suwa, Tumpa.
The provincial government received thousands of sacks from the national government yesterday via the Ligtas Mayon caravan. It was led by several cabinet secretaries including DILG Secretary Marojas, DSWD Secretary Dinky Soliman, and Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda. Salceda asked the government to also provide health services.
Essentially, ang hinihingi ko pa, yun nga, yung PhilHealth, na kung pwede magkaroon nasa state of calamity ang Albay, pwede delayed premiums, okay naman siya. Kasi marami kaming na hindi namin mabayad-bayaran, na mahal-mahal lang kasi. Dati 600 lang ang PhilHealth, ngayon 240 na. Tapos, pangalaw, humingi ako ng ambulansya. Kasi, but I was talking essentially on the entire Albay na. We were talking about the needs of Albay already.
For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino reporting from Albay.